Okay, hi guys. Good morning, all of you. So, guys, I'm audible. Okay, right, guys. So, guys, here, okay, fine. And now, today, the complete doubt session I'm taking now. Okay. So, in which case and where you have a doubts. Okay. So you just ask your doubts. Okay. So one by one, I will respond you. Okay, now one by one, I will respond you. Okay, now right. So send your doubts. Okay, to your chat box one by one. So Venkatesh, where we can practice Oracle online, sir. So Venkatesh, you have your own software, you can practice it. Okay, now download the software and install your software and practice it. Okay, right. If you have a offline, then Naresh IT providing lab sessions. Okay, so you can come out lab session. Okay. Now? ANSI is always give priority. Okay, ANSI is always give priority. Okay, now who is this Mohit? Because I said ANSI, non-ANSI difference is what now? That is portability and okay, not a portable. So in real time, mostly we are using portabilities because when you want to move your queries from one to another databases, okay, without changing, okay, or without modifying your statement. So when you directly move it without doing anything, that was better. Yes or no? But non-ANSI, what I said, it's not a portability. It means that, okay, when you want to move your query statement from one database to another database, so there it will going to give some modifications you have to do based on your database. Okay, you need to do modifications. Okay, so that is what difficult to the programmers. So in real time, and which one is preferable means ANSI. ANSI should be used. Okay, right. Sneha, here concept, complete concept, I can't explain because we don't have that much time. Okay, na? So now I want to today 1 hour, how many people I have to maximum handle? I can handle all doubts. Okay, na? But you're explaining again joins concept, constant means one concept understanding purpose only 3-4 classes is happened. Yes or no? In that joins and constant, what is your doubt? You can ask me. That's it. Okay, again, topic again, if you want to explain means it's not possible in the doubt session. Okay, no? Sneha. So where you have a doubt, so that you have to tell and I will clarify that doubt. Okay. So if you're asking again, sir, explain again joins and again constant means this 1 hour is not sufficient, right? Doubts tell me, doubts tell me. So Venkatesh assignments are one thing, everyday class examples practice it. Okay. And I said in my demo, at the end of the course, we are sending some booklets. Okay. I will give my personally some exercise queries with the question, answer and everything. So these examples and that both are most of almost I said 200 to 300 examples. Okay. You will be received from this course. So that was example practice it. For additionally, because assignments, this is not a college and school. This is a professional trainings. Okay. So again, you are going to assignment means we have some limited time period. Yes or no? I need to finish your course in 60 to 70 sessions. So in that, as per duration, so we have to fulfill our course, okay, with the deep and depthly. Yes or no? So again, I have to like a school teacher, college teacher assignments. These are not necessary. Okay, you are a professionals. So have to do your practice yourself. and what are the examples I'm giving. Okay, and if you need some additional practice here, some Google you have to search and do practice some additionally. Okay, now right. Yeah, okay. Self-join. Self-join, so already self-join, Venkat. Self-join single table operations when you want to perform. So there we require self-join. Okay. And so when the two cases I said, single column comparisons, multiple column comparisons, how to do in one table. Okay. So that is what. And I was explained and giving some diagram also. I hope that I uploaded into Google Classroom. So please once check out here. So joins are same one rule I said. In joins, one basic rule is what now? Every row in a first table compare with the all rows of a second table. So in that way, the aliases whatever we created, so those aliases I will explain in the classroom. So two alias names, two tables are created, and each alias table of row compare with the all rows of another alias table. Just one row wise, row to row comparison should be given. Okay, na Venkat? So that is enough. You can understand that. Except and minus operators are same or different. Rekha. Rekha, except and minus operators both are same, but except we are using under SQL Server database, minus we are using under Oracle database. Okay, na? So both are same purpose, but two different softwares or databases. Okay, na? Except we are using in SQL Server database. So you know that already. There are so many different databases are there. Okay, na? Like SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, yes or no? So Informix, Ingresses, Teradata, MaxDB, PostgreSQLs, yes or no? So many databases are there. But in my demos only I said, every database is having its own syntactical specifications, its own data types, its own operators, okay, its own what we can say functions, okay. Na? So one database, the features or operations will not compare with other databases. So that's why here also, except minus working same to same, but except I can't implement in Oracle because Oracle is not supported except. And minus operator I can't implement in my SQL Server because that is not supported. So except is a union or is a set operator of your SQL Server, and minus is a set operator of your Oracle. Okay, na? The next send your doubts. Next line. I will give one by one, line by line, as per the question priorities I'm giving now. Okay, so don't hurry, burry. Okay, now don't hurry, burry. One by one, I will come to you. Next, send your request. Next. Chat box use somebody using some queue. Okay, so question and answer. Okay, don't go for that. Use your chat box. Question and answer. Don't go for that. Use your chat box. I'm not seeing your question and answer. Okay, I'm seeing only chat box here. So please send me chat box your questions. Okay, now. So Shanku, when you want to, first thing is space. Okay, don't say space. It's called an empty record. Okay. So when you want to find out your empty records, we said here is null keyword you should use. Okay, na? So the same is null keyword you can use to while fetching of your rows also. Okay. But you are saying that query is not working, but how it is not working, how way you return, that I don't know now. Okay. So how you return the query, if you show me, then I can understand that what is your problem. Okay. Okay, Shanku, if you have a possibility, send that query, whatever you written. Okay, I will check it. Substring function, Hari Prasad. Substring function means what I said, Hari Prasad. Suppose you have a string, one word is the string expression. From the string expression, you whatever you need it. That means suppose there are 10 characters of name is there. Out of 10 characters of name, you need a few characters. You need a few characters. So that what you want it, from where to where you want it. Okay. So that was telling by substring. Okay. Na? So substring function advantage is what now? From a hundreds or else or 10 lines of characters, or you need few characters from so and so to so and so. So from starting and how many number of characters. Okay. So that is what substring. Next. So seal 4 and ABS. Anwar. So ABS we said negative conversions. That means negative values when to convert into positive. Okay, na? Right. So whenever you want to convert into positive, for example, suppose you have some in pay skills are there. Some detections adding, okay, some what we can say allowances are adding, some allowances are detected here. Okay. Suppose any negative values. Okay. So those negative values, do you want to convert into positive signs when you do some addition operation, some, okay, minus like negative operations whenever you perform. So there you can use, okay, ABS. And seal floor. Okay, seal floor, how we can use, for example, your percentage of marks are there. Suppose you're getting your BTech percentage, 65.5 something. Okay, so 65 point, that means one value we need to add. Nowadays, what happened? When you show the percentages, okay, the 0.5 above it will come, then it was go to 66. That means they consider as a 66. Okay, so, and floor value, what it was means, it's the lowest value showing. That means approximately, okay, seal and floor, these values are, okay, these functions are using for what purpose? Approximately. So we can't say na exactly 0.675. We can't say like this. So suppose 65.5 is there. So we are saying approximately 66. Yes or no? Suppose 65.4 is there. Then we are saying approximately 65. So approximately the value can be designed here. Then you can see, use your seal and floor. Okay, that is one. So professional books means there is no professional books. Simply, if you want to go any Google, there are so many Google websites are there, like Oracle tutorial.coms are there. Okay, W33, 3C schools are there, 3C schools, tutorial.coms, study tonight, yes or no? So these kind of some, what we can say, professional websites are there. If you go to that, you can get more information if you want it. Okay, right. And next one, Oracle certification SQL, which book is referred? Certification purpose, Anwar, do one thing. So you have to meet some promoting centers. Okay, now. So promoting center people, okay, you don't want to gather or you don't want to search anywhere. Directly go to promoting centers. Okay, I think in Hyderabad also promoting centers are there. You just meet them and they will give complete material for you for your certification. Okay, now. So whatever they provide to you that you prepared for your certification is good. Okay, now suppose you wanted certification related books. Okay, they will give some materials, the promoting center people. So take from that. Cross join, Cartesian join, both are same Anwar. Okay, not a different. Cross join, we also called as a Cartesian join to do some product. Okay, it was performing what now? Multiple product operation performed in between two tables. Okay, right. Yeah, you can choose Sai Kumar. When you are joining two tables in between EMP and DEPT and showing your total salary of your departments, which department you wanted, suppose you need a specific department, then you can apply additional condition there. Okay, suppose and okay, department name is equals to sales. Then only sales will be show you. Only single department will be chosen. Okay. So for single and specific department salaries, if you want to show it here, then you can additionally add your additional conditions. End operator use it and add your additional condition. So how he was given. So who are working in location of Chicago, then end operator LOC is equals to Chicago we written. Same as is here also. Specific one means which department you want it. There you can department name is equals to the department name, sales or production or whatever it is. Okay, right. And the next guys. Data dictionaries are Mohit. Data dictionaries. So it is important for us. Yes, definitely important because of reason. Suppose you want to see the details. For example, you are see we discussed like a constraints. So we applied constraints on particular table structure. But if I want to know it, which type of what it was, okay, on which type of columns you applied. So that kind of information do you want to see it? So definitely data dictionaries are very helpers because you want to know now what you applied, what you created. Yes or no? So that information, that means on particular table, what kind of the additional facilities you applied, what are those? So that kind of informations we can see it by the help of data dictionaries. For example, in your database, how many tables are there that I want to see? Then I have to use a tab data dictionary. Suppose in my table, how many views are there? How many synonyms are there? How many procedures I created? What are those? So the procedure source code, if I want to see. So these kind of things, okay, and these kind of levels, definitely, okay, data dictionaries are needed because when you know the good idea on data dictionaries, then you can see this all details. Otherwise, you can't see it now. Yeah, definitely it was very help when you're working premises in companies. Definitely it was very help you. Okay, right. Hari Prasad. SQL, MySQL, don't ask me this kind of questions. Okay, SQL, MySQL, so much. SQL is a language here. Remember, the differences between SQL, MySQL, these are demo, what we can say, basic, okay, demonstration doubts here. Okay, SQL is a language, I said, Hari Prasad. MySQL is a one tool, software. Okay, na? So language is different, software is different. Okay, MySQL is a software, just like Oracle software. Okay, SQL is a language. Okay, na? Right. Naveen, I said na that you can join into number of tables here. Okay, now so there is you are join. Okay, I already show you one example to you to joining of your more than 2 tables. Okay, now so that you can join it. Then I show you ANSI format how to join more than 2 tables. Non-ANSI how to join. Yes or no? So once you check out that, you can join it any number of tables, no problem. Sneha, TCL topic save pointer. Save pointer, Sneha, that we said. Commit and rollback, what we discussed in the commit and rollback, Sneha. Commit, all are committed. For example, you did insert. There are 10 records are you inserted, right? So for 10 records insertion purpose, we are writing some insert queries. So finally, when you go for, to commit, what I said, all are committed. That means before commitment, how many operations you did, that all are committed there. Okay, otherwise, if you roll back, all are roll back. So that means I said any one only happening, either yes or no. So commit and rollback, how these two commands are working means that either yes or no. So either if you say commit, all are committed, which you've done. Suppose you've done insert. If you insert after update, update after delete, delete after again insert after delete. So whatever you did, Okay. And finally, if you do commit means all are committed. That means what kind of operations you did, DML operations, that all are committed. Otherwise, all are rollback. So commit rollback means yes or no, either save or cancel. But save point advantage is what now? These two commands, what we said, either all are committed, otherwise all are cancelled. Okay, but now some cases we are writing in, if you go to in real time, you're writing so many queries, yes or no? Okay, so many records or so many queries we are performing on particular table data. So sometimes what happen, some rows you need it in the next level of operation, the next level you require those data. So at the time what happened, so which is your needed row in future, in the next application, in the next work, whatever I wanted, those kind of things that people will be storing into separate memory. Because if I store those things also in instance memory, what happened? All are rollback or all are committed. But those things I need to keep into separate special memories. Then what happened? Those special memory data, whatever you saved in that, so those data you can use into wherever you want it in that particular application, in that particular transaction. Okay, now? So that is save point advantage. Specific row or rows, or specific operational row, operational rows. You need to roll back again. Okay. So that save pointer will be useful. Okay, now? Right. And next one, the name is not given by what year? The name is not given. AS. So names mentioned here, names mentioned, because without name I can't understand. Okay, name mentioned. So what type of questions are asked? Amar is asking what type of questions asked in interview is max related syntaxes. So max function related syntaxes, so many different syntax, different types we can use it. But I think you discussed few things, but in the future, in future concepts also more are there we can use, like finding, okay, maximum salaries, finding the junior people, yesterday I said in subqueries, I think you have in the classroom or not, I don't know. So yesterday I said the highest salary persons, who's a junior programmer, senior programmers, okay, second maximum highest in a particular department, yes or no? So these kind of, in subqueries you can see some more examples on max related, okay? So whenever you perform some operation which you fetch, if you fetch maximum values, so and so particular group of data or individual data, yes or no? In that cases, max function will be help you. Okay, right. Next. Yeah, Mohit, which topics are important regarding to admin and Java developer while practically working? Yeah, I said, Mohit, in yesterday, some little bit information. Yesterday or day before yesterday, I said in the classroom. Okay, especially for you come to database admin side, that means the database developer side, I said complete course is required for you. So I can't say this is important, this is not important. Because when you working as a backend developer, so every topic is important for you. Like from the starting, what we started, like DDL queries, DML queries, DQL, TCL, okay. Later we working with functions, operators, classes, joins, subqueries in the future, logs, partitions, views, synonyms, indexes, clusters. Okay, so many topics are there. Okay, so every topic is important for the database admin side or database side. And especially come to Java developers. Java developers purpose, only few topics are important from the SQL part and few topics from the PLSQL. Okay, come to SQL part. So I said the basic queries, DDL, DML, DQL, TCL. Okay, these 4 languages commands compulsory. You should have a good idea, and some classes idea, some operators idea, some functions idea. These are things. These are basic fundamental. When come to main topics, joins, I said subqueries. Next, views are there. Okay. So join, subquery, views. These three, it will be help you for the Java side. And come to PLSQL part. PLSQL part, those you need like procedures are there, stored procedures, stored functions, and triggers. So these three topics are important for Java people who are going to Java side, like full stack Java developer, yes or no. Otherwise, a normal Java developer, okay. So they're required for that, okay, now, right. And finally, I will tell you when end of the day, end of the course, okay, I will tell you the importance of your Java students, which topics you have to focus, and database people or database people purpose, I don't want to say anything because they need everything, yes or no. For Java people purpose, I will give some list out after covering all topics. Once you cover all topics, then finally I will give some list for you Java people. Okay, what you need, what you don't want it. Okay, now, right. Yeah, Pooja, merge statement. Yeah, I remember that we will discuss. Okay, in coming soon. Yeah, I remember that. So that also we discussed. Don't worry. Yeah, Krishna, enable key, disable keys. Okay, when you enable your constraint, what we said, no validate you can use. Okay, and no validate and enable this key will be applicable only check constraint. It will be working. Okay, now only check related. That means values validating levels, conditions levels we can use. Okay, right. Sneha, primary key, foreign key, simple primary key, we said restrictions of your duplicates and nulls. Okay. So other than duplicate, other than nulls will not allowed your primary key column. And foreign key is specially designed for making relations. Okay. So we knows that in my joins, I said one point to you. In relational database management systems, okay, now relational database management systems. Okay. Whatever the data we are storing here, the data will storing in the format of tables. Okay. In the format of tables. And those table to table relations, when you want it here, yeah, definitely foreign key is read, because I said in joins one exam early, that means introduction part of joins, I said, suppose student data and your college branch data. So student data, branch data, both are, we are saving under one place in one table. So we said so many problems are there. Like if you delete the student data along with student data, your branch details also deleted. Yes or no? So this kind of problems are there when you store the different types of data in one single table. So that's what the people, what they will do, they will create in multiple tables. Okay. So in different tables, they store different types of data, and which suppose student is there. Student table is having relation with what now? Courses. So student and course. But student and course details we can't save into one table, because if you're saving like this, what is the problem? Okay, we know what is the problem. If you want to delete a student data, course also deleted. If you delete a course data, student also deleted. So along with this, some other problems also there, like a memory problems. Okay, it was occupying duplicates are increasing problems. Okay, so memory problems. So these kind of things are coming out. Okay, that points we will discuss in normalization topic is that in coming soon. So there in normalization, again, I will explain to you primary key, foreign key compulsory is required for normalization topics. Okay, at the time you can get more idea about primary, foreign key, how it will be. Okay, now, right. Substring and in-string. Substring, Pooja. Substring means, I said just now one person is asking. So one string is there with the 10 characters or 20 characters or 5 characters, whatever it is. From those string, we need whatever you wanted. How many number of character string you wanted, from where to where you wanted. So that kind of reasons, substring. In-string means one string expression is a different characters are there. So in the different characters, your character position you need to find out. Okay. Suppose welcome is there. I already explained to you so many examples on in string. Welcome. In welcome, I want to know it WEL, L position how much. So the positions only telling by in string. Your character is having in which position in your string expression. The position number we finding by the help of in string. Substring means what now? How many characters you wanted, from where to where you wanted. That was taken by substring. Okay. Once check my examples once again, you can understand. In the main documents also, I was already sent it the main documents functions. Once check out. Okay. Right. So both constants you can use it, Mr. Anwar, both constants you can use it, but both constant you can apply on your single table is possible. Sorry, single column is possible, but the constants should be different. Same constant 2 times if you applied on the same column, not allowed. Suppose you want to apply your unique constant, not null, or a check. So unique, not null, check. The 3 different constants you can apply on single column. That was possible. So there is nothing problem to you. Okay, na? Right. Yeah, Shanku, you are writing select a star from test 2 where name is name, where name like you are giving underscore, what you can say, what is this here? This you can give dashes are given here. Don't give dashes here. Underscore. Underscore different. Dash is different here. Shanku, you given their underscore. Dash is given. Dashes is not working in like operator. Okay, like operator is using percentile underscore. If you are giving dash symbol, then how it was working? Check out. Underscores give it. Underscore is different. Dash is different here. What यार Shanku? डैश और अंडरस्कोर का डिफरेंस नहीं मालूम है क्या आपको? Yeah, definitely. Interview questions also I'm giving. If anybody try to database side, okay, jobs purpose, definitely those people purpose. I'm preparing interviews also. Interview questions also I have prepared here. Definitely, guys, here and at my demonstration, whatever I said to you, like interview questions, okay, and the exercise examples, okay, all with along with material, okay, all I will provide to you. Don't worry about that. Okay, right. The next guys. Salary, HRA, Anwar, name is okay, salary is okay, and HRA, PF, you said the percentages. Okay. Yeah, definitely salary by 100. Okay, into 15% is. Okay. Here, salary by 100, not here. Check out Anwar. Percentage, na? Percentage means you are by 100, where you want to apply 15 by 100, not salary by 100. Percentage is how to calculate it. 15% means 15 by 100, na? So check out your given your salary by 100, wrong. Salary into 15 by 100. Okay, na? Check out. That is only the problem. Remaining process will correct. Okay. Do that. Yeah, that is a Naveen. Actually, length command, length function. Purpose is what now? Length function to finding the number of characters in a particular string. Okay, definitely. So, but here length function. Okay, command is command not. It's not a command here, Naveen. It's a function. Okay, so length function is there. You can use that to find out your string. Okay, length function. Sirisha, data mining. So data mining, if you're learning data mining, they will show you how to apply SQL and PLSQL languages. Okay, na? If you're learning data mining course, okay, they will show you how to apply. Okay, right. SQL commands. Okay, SQL commands are what now? So keeping your commands, okay, so by using of dash, 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 okay, or slash symbols, we are using slash symbol. Okay, that means particular line or particular statement. If you want to keep some comments under comments, then you can use it. Okay, na? Hariprasad. Nothing problem, Vishnu. Okay, you can do that TNS problem. Okay, so when your command prompt through, you can connect with your command prompt through and change your username and password. Nothing problem. You can happily do that work. Yes, Krishna. Yes. Validating of data. Okay, values can be, check it out. Next. Next, anybody? So Naveen, just now I said in string is just for position. Length is nothing but the number of characters in the string. Okay, right. Hariprasad, basic SQL skills means, okay, actually if you compare to our database SQL purpose, okay, suppose you have a little bit, without any knowledge, you can happily learn it here. There is no need for any skills for SQL. Okay, there is no need any skills for SQL. So just you can go to your SQL classes and regularly attend, do practice. That's enough. And remember the syntaxes. That's called the formulas. Okay, so that's enough. Specifically, I need some skills means that kind of specific skills are not required for SQL. Okay, no? So there is no prerequisites for that. You can directly go and learn it without having any background. Okay, right. So data integrity means Sneha to maintain accurate data. That means I said now when if any table if you created into the table, suppose if I try to insert some duplicate values, so it is accepted. So those kind of duplicates, some empty space, empties, or that is called a nulls. Okay, some data validation. That means if you inserted some value, is it right or wrong? So these kind of things I need to check. Those are called data integrity rules. So that means whatever you maintain your data, that should be have a accuracy, correct data, correct information. Okay, that's what. So how you maintain correct data? General, tell me. For example, nowadays you for suppose Java students are there. Okay, so they are developing one registration form. So they're developing one registration form. Okay, the registration form through user sending some data. But tell me on that registration form, if you're not applied validations by using of JavaScript, if you're applying validations on your registration form on your web application, then tell me, are you getting correct data, wrong data? If there is no validations on your form, then tell me which kind of data are you getting? Are you getting accurate data or any duplicate data also you are getting? Come on, Java student, anybody? Sneha is asking. Suppose you have a registration form you designed by using of Java technology. Okay, one Java form, okay, you designed. So generally registration form means what now? Users are inserting some data, right? So whenever they inserting data, the data should be validate now. Without validation, what happened? Password. In password place, they can enter more than 30 characters, less than 8 characters. Mobile number, more than 10 digits, less than 10 digits. So these kind of things are going to be happen. That means accepting, but that is not a correct data. Now. Suppose mobile number is there, more than 11 digits, more than 10 digits I entered. More than 10 digits I enter in mobile number column. Okay, that means content. I just click on submit button. What happened? If you're not applying validation on mobile number, okay, what happened? So 10 digit number is accepted. More than 10 digits number accepted, less than 10 digits number accepted. Okay, now, then what is the problem? The actually rule is what now? Mobile number, 10 digits are there. But your application is accepting 11 digits, 13 digits, 20 digits are accepted. Is it correct your mobile number, 20 digits? That kind of validations how we are going to do in the front end side by using of JavaScripts. Yes or no? Same as in the backend side, we need to avoid that kind of problems. We are using data integrity mechanism. Okay, now? Right. LK. Collect section function will be coming soon, guys, here. LK, coming soon, you can see that was. Okay, now? Right. So sysdba of our system, both are same, Vishnu, no problem. So you can log in with the sysdba or system, anyone, no problem. How to remove duplicate rows in SQL? Hari Prasad, this concept also you will see in the coming soon. Okay, na? In our session, maybe day after tomorrow, or you will be see that how I want to avoid the duplicate rows. Okay, na? Right. List of all formulas, Naveen. Okay, it's not a list of that. Okay, concept basis formulas are there. Okay, that you have to. I'm sending complete material to you. Okay, after receiving complete Oracle material, every syntax is separately was designed. So those all you can go to take and write into one paper or one book separately. Yes or no? Then you can go to keep it that every day you want to what we can say. Once recall that all syntaxes. Okay, na? Right. So somebody names are not given. So please guys here give your name, then only I will respond. Without name, I'm not responding because your names all list is there in my side. So I want to check your names. Okay, na? So I'm checking your name and I'm responding. So without name, somebody different Redmi Note 7, some XYZY. Okay. So I can't understand here. So that's a give your name. Acid property is maintenance of transactions, okay, with accurate manner. So your transactions means what now? I said withdraw, deposit, transfer. So these are the online transactions we perform. But every transaction, how it will be managed by your databases. Because I said in last session, there are lakhs of customers are there. The lakhs of customers are performing transactions. Okay. Then those lakhs of customer transactions are how database servers will maintain proper systematical manner. Okay, now without misusing or mismatching or miscommunicating of your transactions. So that was acid properties help us internally. Okay, now right. And what is atomic consistence? I was explaining to you. Okay. Express edition, don't take Sneha. If you have it here, so enterprise you can take it. Instead of express edition, take enterprise edition, because I said express edition is not a fully, it's a partially supporting your futures. In place of express edition, use enterprise edition. That's okay for practicing purpose. Right. Next, anybody? So Preeti, sample tables means, okay, the way I'm creating in the classroom in front of you, those all are sample tables. Okay, you can take those tables if you want it, and you can apply your, okay, so whatever the queries we discuss here, the queries you can apply. So here the thing is, suppose one example query I'm showing in a classroom. So the same query you have to use in different columns. Okay, now for getting more idea on the particular subject, because as per our time period, maximum any trainer, any faculty is discussing in the classroom, maximum 3 to 4 examples or 4 to 5 examples for a topic wise. Okay, na? Because if you discuss, we can discuss one topic purpose, we can prepare like the 30, 40 examples we can prepare. But that we don't have that much time. Na? If I want to deal for one concept purpose, if I'm showing here 20 examples, then you are sitting with me. This course is not happened within 60 sessions. Okay, now this course is going to be like a 1 year course, 1.5 year course. If I go like this, and you people are also not waiting for that. You are also saying that no, sir, we don't want to wait. We want it a 60 to 70 complete, sir, with the proper way and a okay subject. We want to go interviews. Yes or no? That's what I'm telling. Okay, so trainers in institutions also, if you go anywhere, any faculty, even the 20 years of experience faculty also, maximum they even give it 4 or 5 examples only. Okay, na? So they want to sit and tell you each and everything like academic, like your school or college. Na? Our course is not finished within the time period. Okay, na? So some examples I'm giving, related examples, you just practice it here. Okay, right. Yeah, project means Vishnu. Yeah, if you wanted project, you can contact to the management people, because projects they have it here. Okay, you can ask them. They will provide some classes for you. Okay, if anybody interested the project classes, you need to pay some money, and they will give to you the management side. Okay, right. Natural join, the first thing is, what is the name here? Okay, so Sudarshan, the natural join, the purpose of natural join is not a big purpose, but when you have to join more than like 5-10 tables, so in that more 5 tables or 10 to 20 tables between, if any duplicate columns are there, instead of we need to write, that means manually to avoid your duplicate columns, because if I want to join it 20 tables, okay, now. So in 20 tables, I don't know what are the duplicate columns are there. Suppose if any duplicate columns are there like that, if you go to manually identify and remove that column, remove that column, it was a lot of complexity to the programmers. Yes or no? It's a manual system, time taken process. So there you can apply natural join. What happened? Automatically your system will take the responsibility, whatever the common columns or duplicate columns are there, that every duplicate column is avoided automatically. For example, you have a 10 tables. In 10 tables, there are 20 duplicate columns are there. So those 20 duplicate columns, if you want to avoid manually, then you just think that how much time consumer here. Then simply you can apply natural join. Automatically that all duplicate columns are avoided automatically. So you don't want to do anything. The responsibility you are giving to system. Okay, na? That's what. Next question. What is mean by incompatible? Compatible means well matching. Compatible means well matching. Okay, na? Incompatible means not matching. Okay. Sudarshan. Compatible means matching. Matching means what now? Suppose varchar. Varchar to char data type. So char data type, varchar 2 data type, both are same category. Same category of data types. That's called a compatible. Like a number, integer. Number, integer, same category. Like a compatible. Incompatible means what now? Integer, varchar. So integer is different. Your varchar 2 is different. Varchar is what now? String data type. It's a string format. Integer is what now? Number format. So both are not a compatibility. Both are called incompatibility natures. Different. Incompatibility means different. Okay? Right. Third question, Sudarshan. Use your to_char function. In to_char function, I was given different intervals, different formats. Okay. So y, year format, day format, month format, quarter formats. Yes or no? In that so many intervals given. So which way you wanted that interval, the related interval, you can pass it to_char. Okay, na? Then you will get it your format, whatever you want it. Yeah, definitely, Mohit. The roll-up cubes are compulsory they're using because the data summarizing purpose. Okay, na? So, for example, in a company, total strength how much? In each department, how many number of employees? In each department, which employee is working in which position? For example, X company is there. In X company, there are some departments like a Java, .NET, testing, database. Okay, there are 4 departments are there in that company. So the total strength of company means these all department combined employees are counted. That's called a total employees of your company. Now I want a department wise. Okay, now so department wise means what now? Again, using group by classes. Okay, in Java how many, in .NET, in testing, in database how many? That is one thing. Next one, in the job, for example, Java department. In Java department, how many seniors, how many juniors? Yes or no? Okay, how many team leads are there in Java department? How many senior programmers are there? How many junior programmers are? So this is called as specifications. In a particular department, how many team leads? How many project leads? How many managers? How many assistant managers? Okay, how many seniors developer? How many juniors? So those things I wanted, compulsory roll up and cube is needed. Roll up and cube what? Data summarizing. What is what? We discuss. How many clerks are there in 10th department? How many clerks are there in 20th department? How many clerks are there in 30th department? Yes or no? So each and everything specified na? It was specified na? Each department, how many clerks are there? How many salesmen are there? Yes or no? So that is what. In 10th department, how many clerks? How many managers? How many presidents? Okay, now. So that is roll up and cube advantage. Okay, now compulsory. Compulsory we are using in real time. Otherwise, this clarification you didn't get now. Right? Understand now? Mohit. Yeah, Varma, you can do your 19C install better. Okay, right. Vishnu, that you can go to the Naresh IT people, you can directly contact. Okay, those people tell to you the projects, whatever it was there. Okay, right. So Sirisha, end of your course, this all we will be get it. End of the course, you will get it. Okay. Hari Prasad, the common rows, I already said now how to fetch a common record or rows from two tables by using what? Set operators. Set operators, what I said, intersect. Intersect operator is purpose is what now, Hari Prasad? Common values are retrieving. Yes or no? Forgot it, Hari Prasad. Common values retrieving. Common values, that means common rows. Common rows, if I want to get from two or not two tables, there is intersect operator na. Already we discussed na. I think you guys are not practicing yet. If you're doing some practice, you can get some ideas. Without practice means there's some little bit confusion is there. Okay na. Use intersect operator, use Prashad. Next, anybody next? Next, guys. See if your doubts are clear. If you log out, you can log out. If you have a doubt, stay here. Okay, because we need to give a chance to others also. Huh? If your doubts are clear, you can log out, no problem, and give chance to other person. Khadir, Basha, yeah, not, permanent, up to your course. Okay, suppose once your course is completed, Khadir, up to 1 month, I think so, 1 or 2 months, it will be permanent. Okay, after that, it will be disappear. Okay, that's what you want to do. Every day, whatever I'm going to uploading here, so better to download that all files, okay, one by one. Okay, daily wise, if you download and keep it your system, that's a better, because after end of this course, they will keep all maximum time is the 1 month they will be keeping. Then after that, it will be that collapse that Google Classroom. So that's the guys here. I'm telling to everyone. Okay, so maximum every day, whatever running notes and main materials we are uploading. So immediately download those things, guys. Okay, na. So maybe after this course, maximum the time period is 1 month. It will be stay. Yes or no? 1 month it will be there. After course, I'm telling, not now. After when my course is completed, from that date onwards, it will be stay 1 month. I think later it will be expired. So that's why better to daily yourself. You can go to download it. Download process is there, Sneha. You just select your file, click right mouse button, and open into new tab window. Another tab you can open, and their download option is there. Okay, now on that link, don't click on that. You cannot download. First select that file. Okay, the file selector, and open into another new tab. Open into another new tab, and their download option is there. So then you can download it. Okay, na? Right. Or anybody is there? And one more thing, guys, here, every weekend, that means every Saturday for your online purpose, every Saturday, okay, 1 hour I will discuss with you. Okay, na? Maybe offline, online, both are can't able to what we can manage, guys. Actually, one thing you also remember. So what happened in the offline classes, once the class is over, then hundreds of people are coming to me. Okay, that means the hundreds of people means don't not 100, like 10, 15 people, they immediately come to me and they will be, what we can say, round up to me. They're asking questions, sir. So they're not giving chance to you to talk to you. Yes or no? So when I try to talk to you, but these offline students are not giving chance to me. They're asking one by one, immediately, one by one, one by one, one by one. So that is the reason I'm not properly interacting with you. Because of reason, here two people are there. Offline students are there. Say here offline students, 200 people there. Online student, 200 people are there. So once class is over now, immediately the offline students are coming to me and round up to me. So when I discuss with them only, my time is over. Then I can't able to talk to you. So that's why now I plan what now? Every weekend, one day, complete one session I will spend with you. Okay, na? I will spend with you. So that's why I prepared that plan here. So Monday to Friday, what it was happen, that all doubts you have to keep it, and Saturday I will completely, I'm giving permissions to you only. I'm not interacting with offline students. So I'm giving only online students interaction on every Saturday, weekend. Okay, na? That's the better. Okay, so that I just going to follow that. So because you people are also going to be interacting with me and clearing your doubts. Okay, na? So every Saturday, remember, every Saturday I will interact with you. And before one day, I will inform to you, because if you forgot it, I will inform. Okay, na? Right. So don't worry about that from now onwards. Okay, every weekend I will interact with you. So whatever your doubts are there about subject, your career, your job profile. Okay. So if anybody interested to work on database side, definitely I will give reference to you. Okay, as per my what we can say, my colleagues or my company. If any references are there, maximum my references only Java and database purpose I'm giving maximum. So if any Java student, do you wanted any references, don't worry. If I have that kind of facility, definitely I will inform to you. So maximum my side for Java people, for database people, maximum vacancies are, I will give my reference. Okay. So if it is having in my colleagues or in my company, my brother, my sister, so any companies are there, definitely I will inform to you. And maximum I'm hiring. Okay, maximum I'm also taking Java and Oracle people, maximum I'm also hiring. That means my company people are hiring. Okay, na? So because other technologies I don't know, because I don't have much references, but I have a good references on Java and Oracle databases. Okay, so that kind of references are there. Definitely I will give references to my students. Okay, na? Right. Okay, guys, then okay, fine. And now, yeah. So what is that? Geeta Rani. Better to once try with this name. Okay, I'm sending some. Okay, some details I'm sending to you. So try with this once, Geeta. Geeta, are you there now? I'm giving this one and just try with this. Is it connecting or not? Check it out. Once try it, okay? Okay, guys, or anybody is there? Recording videos, Sharath, okay, so recording videos completely management people can be handle that. Okay, so better to once contact to the management people here, because we are just trainer. Okay, so we are just coming to this institution and giving some trainer classes and we leave out from Naresh IT, yes or no? So but that kind of recording, that all are managing by your management people. So better to ask them when you want it recording videos, whatever it is. Okay, they will arrange for that. Okay, so my side, whatever the material, interview questions, examples, resumes, whatever it is, that all I will provide myself. of any references. That's my personal, I'm giving that. Okay. But the recording videos, the management people will take that responsibility. Okay, na Sharath? Right. Okay, na? Right. Or anybody guys? Right, guys. So can I stop it? Can I stop it or having any doubts? No, not possible money. Money, that is not possible. Okay. So once your transaction will be updated, then only second transaction can be performed. So that means sometimes you can see, for example, nowadays some credit cards are there, credit cards or else debit cards. When you're using credit cards and debit cards, you will get some points. We are getting rewards points. Can you know reward points, money? Reward points are there. So for example, in your card, reward points are 7,000 showing. So you already used already 5,000 points, you use it. Remaining balance, how much? Your 2,000 points. But in your online credit card or debit card details, that is not updated immediately. It will be showing 3-4 days. It was showing like that. So what we are thinking that, oh, my reward points are still 7,000 is there. So I can go to redeem. Again, my points means if you try like that, immediately one message come to you. Sorry, we are unable to redeem your points because your points are less than that. Okay, maybe the information will be showing to you 10,000, but already your balance is 2,000 only there. Okay, now that's why you can't do it. But that updation will show you in your mobile. It will take some little bit time. Okay, now if that kind of chances are there, now then there is so many frauds are going on in banking sectors. Yes or no? If whatever you got idea, if that can be happen now, then it's there is no security now. Yes or no? So there is no security. You will get it. Anybody can enjoy like that. Oh, my redeems are not detection, so I can use. So number of times you can use with only 7,000 points, you can earn so much money. That's not possible. Okay, that is just a maybe. Updation is not happen, but definitely after updation only your next transaction will be performed and checking before checking your balance amount is there or not there. Yes or no? If your balance is there or not there, you're checking. Other no, without the checking of your balance, your database will not give permission to you. First you are sending 7,000, 10,000, 3,000 taken, remaining balance 7,000. If you enter 7,000, 1 rupee also if you enter, it doesn't take it your request. Immediately your request will be cancelled and telling that sorry, insufficient balance. Okay, that's not possible. Then Geeta, do one thing that is also not possible. Did you try it with the services? You can go services and check it. You can go and services, go to services and check it, whatever I show you now. So services is running or not, once check. If that is also not running means, then you have to reinstallation your software. Okay, once that also check it once. two transactions are possible. When it is possible, money, suppose I said here one option yesterday, you are doing withdraw, I am doing deposit. Tell me, withdraw and deposit, both are same transaction or different transactions? Money. My question, what is that? So suppose you are doing withdraw, I am doing deposit. Can you tell me, both are same or different? Both transactions same or different? Different, na? Then different can be accepted. For example, both users are at a time they're doing same transaction, not possible. Understand, na? Suppose X person is doing withdraw, Y person is also doing withdraw. Withdraw, what happened? Same transaction. When the same transaction two people will do on the same day, same time, then it is not performed. But different transactions perform, because different transactions, there is no relation. Withdraw is a separate transaction, separate mechanism. Deposit is a separate mechanism. That's why can you see, when you do withdraw, we are doing some operations. When you deposit, we are doing some operations. Can you tell me, withdraw operation, deposit operation, both are having same options? Money, both are having same options? No, that's what I'm telling. No. Deposit transaction operations are different. Withdraw transaction operations are different. So when two different transactions when you perform, it is accepted. But two same operations when you perform, it doesn't accept. Okay, any one person transaction can be taken. Okay, so that transaction concept also there in your course, in coming soon. That concept also I will show to you. Okay, now in that concept also there in our Oracle, in Oracle SQL. Okay, now so then we can go to check out. Multi-threading is different, money, so don't compare with your Java. Okay, don't compare front end back end. So when you're comparing front end back end means lot of differences are there. Okay, na? So your technology, database technology. Okay, that I will show you now that we have a concept in our class. So there I will practically showing to you in front of you. You are in classroom. Then you can understand that. Okay, sir, I understand. Okay, na? So don't compare one technology to another technology. Both are different. Right. Okay, guys. So I stop it today, this session. And next week, again, we are interacting like this. Okay. So, and tomorrow means Monday. Okay. Monday we will see in the classroom. Okay, na? Right, guys. So thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.